Inside this PC case we've installed 6 fans, 3 of them are reverse bladed. Today we're checking out the Valkyrie B12 series, that's the B12 and the B12W, the white version. These 120mm fans are available in both standard and reverse blade options, so whether you want a clean front view or to hide the back of the fan, you've got options. The packaging is clear and straightforward. You've got the main details right on the front. Both the packaging for the reverse blade and standard blade versions are exactly the same, with the exception of a triangle sticker indicating which one you have. On the back you've got all the specs you need, making it easy to see what you're getting before you open the box. Inside the box you get the fan with a built-in splitter cable, plus an adapter cable so you can connect to your ARGB header as well as your fan PWM header. You also get mounting screws as well. There's no paper instructions, but if you need help there's a QR code on the box. Both of the standard and reverse blade versions look nearly identical apart from the direction the blades face. The reverse blade is perfect if you want a more polished look inside your case, as it hides the back of the fan when mounted. You can choose from black or white models to suit your build, and all the variants come with addressable RGB lighting for synchronized effects with your system's RGB software. The fans are also fitted with anti-vibration pads to help reduce noise and keep everything running smoothly. The fan blades have a ridged finish, which is designed to give a smoother and more focused airflow. The fluid dynamic bearings promise a longer lifespan and quieter operation, even at higher RPMs. As for the lighting, the RGB looks great, thanks to its diffused finish on the blades. It spreads the light everywhere on the blades and rarely shines when you've got multiple fans daisy-chained together. It's easy to daisy-chain them together with the built-in daisy-chain connectors for both power and lighting. The Valkyrie B12 series performs well whether you're using them as a case fan or on a radiator, but would probably work better on a radiator or heatsink due to the focused airflow. If we had one wish, it would be for a 140mm version to match. That would round out the range and give even more flexibility for larger builds. But as it stands, these B12 fans are a great pick if you want strong performance, quiet operation and plenty of style for your next build. So in conclusion, if you want ARGB lighting, quiet running and the choice of blade direction and colour and don't need a 140mm version, the Valkyrie B12 and B12W fans are definitely worth a look. The TechMax Expo 25 is the UK's top tech trade show, bringing together hundreds of IT professionals. It's a great opportunity to strengthen relationships with vendors and distributors while networking with industry leaders. You can explore the latest tech and services for growing your IT business. There is also thousands of pounds of prizes up for grabs. And not only that, it's free to attend the day event. The event takes place on the 27th of June 2025 at Magna Adventure and Science Centre near Meadowhall in Sheffield. Features include a live tech awards ceremony, evening retro entertainment, meeting areas and interactive demos. Can you afford not to be one of the 800 IT professionals who are expected to attend? Registration is now open at tftmax.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.